Are you looking for a lifestyle that not only elevates you but also gives back to the earth? Masaar is a home for over 50,000 thriving trees, supported by a natural irrigation system and recycled water, creating a truly sustainable environment. Enjoy 13 kilometers of scenic trail that gives endless access to the nature. From skate park to food zones and cycling cafes, Masaar amenities are thoughtfully designed to revolve around your lifestyle. All this just 15 minutes away from Sharjah Airport, and the property is starting from 1.8 million only. Make the greener choice for your future and the planet. Live thoughtfully, live naturally, live Masaar.